I'm Jeff Vogel for Buzz TV Network News. Thanks for watching This Week in Review, seen on Comcast Xfinity, Channel 1098 Buzz TV, seen in 60,000 homes and businesses on the Treasure Coast. This Week in Review, we're closing out with fireworks on the campaign trail. This past weekend, we heard differing voices coming from both the president and Joe Biden. The president really trying to draw the battle lines between us and them, we and them, they and us, delivering somewhat divisive remarks at Mount Rushmore and at the White House for fireworks celebrations, and Joe Biden presenting a more conciliatory speech in which he's speaking of bringing people together, essentially, and trying to work on the common issues that we all experience in life. And so there's two very different sounding messages coming from them, and the president currently is kind of campaigning on the issue of saving our heritage, saving our statues and monuments, and hence the fireworks at Mount Rushmore. This may not be the best year for defending our founding fathers and oh so many monuments that we have built to men, not always wisely. I think the point is that each and every one of us is human and capable of human frailty, making mistakes. None of us are perfect. And so holding people up on a pedestal, making statues of humans, is kind of misdirected energy. We really shouldn't be trying to hold people up as examples of anything more than hard work and contributing to our society. But once you've begun the process of glorifying them in some way, it opens the door. As I said, none of us is perfect. The least defensible is Confederate generals who fought to keep slavery institutionalized in America. That's really kind of hard to defend, as they were committing treason against the United States of America. Not to mention their desire to maintain an economy dependent on slaves. We don't really need to be holding those people up on a pedestal, do we? And in terms of our founding fathers, from just the term founding fathers, it's already sexist. It's no founding mothers, it's founding fathers, and they were wealthy, white landowners who had power. And in the case of President George Washington and President Thomas Jefferson, author of the Declaration of Independence, in terms of both of those gentlemen, they each owned hundreds of slaves. This is probably not the best year to be trying to defend the honor of our founding fathers. It's probably the president would be better off not trying to draw attention to it or trying to draw those battle lines. We'll see if the tone changes in the weeks ahead. Thanks so much for watching This Week in Review on Buzz TV Network.